That is, sitting down here, listening to you rail out these achievements under um, your leadership as the Anambra State Governor then, and knowing that these are verifiable facts, keeps bugging me why these talents cannot be used at a higher pedestal. That will now bring me to the closing question of this conversation today, which is my viewers here would not forgive me if I close this without asking this question. You have done well for the state of Anambra State. You have done well in the private sector. Globally, you have distinguished yourself as an outstanding individual. Then the question is that Nigerians now think that duty calls for you to come and become the president of Federal Republic of Nigeria. Many are asking, Mr. Peter Obi, are you going to run for presidency come 2023?
This question I'm being asked and being asked every day. And I keep telling people, I am a party man, I'm a party faithful. All the elections I've followed in the past, the party that I belong to, the PDP, made a pronunciation and took a stand. At least in 2019, when I was involved, where I was gracious, I would say, Atiku graciously chose me as his running mate, which I remain, eternally grateful to him for. The party decided that the candidate will come from the north. And that was what the party decided. And I believe that the party owes it a duty to say what their stand is. If their stand today is south, but rest assured, I'm aspiring. If they say north, I can't do otherwise. Or they choose option that everybody is free. Then, of course, you'll be hearing from me. I assure you, I'm committed to building a better Nigeria. And I will, in 2023, we must ensure that a better candidate who have one, is competent, have the capacity, and above all, because when we were starting, you were reading all my resumes and everything. Let me tell you, I know there's people here who have even better qualifications. For me, all those things, they are good. But what we are looking to Nigeria now, they are not the most critical thing. What we are looking in this country today is, one, we are looking for people of integrity, people of conscience, people who are less greedy. Educational qualification is not a measure of integrity. It doesn't guarantee that somebody is less greedy. It doesn't guarantee that people have conscience. I've seen people here acquire what they don't need. I saw it while I was serving. To fight corruption here, you need somebody who have an integrity, who is not greedy, who have conscience. If you have that, fighting corruption is easy, because if you who is in charge is not stealing, you reduce it by 50, 70%. And it's critical that we have somebody who does like that. It's not when people are acquiring land and house, everything they don't need. They want to live a lifestyle that is far beyond the economy of Nigeria, far beyond their earnings. That is why the place is collapsing. That's why we have insecurity. That's why we have poverty. We need people who can manage the cost efficiently. And these are the critical areas. As you look for people who will govern the country in the future.
Thank you very much. That's a very fine place to anchor it. We will take one or two questions from the public. We have an avalanche of questions that come in. Now, but before I do, as a recap for the last question that I asked you regarding 2023, for many of you who have listened, what he has said, I'm recapping here, is that he is waiting on the party to make the decision where they want to zone. But be rest assured that if it's zoned to the south, that he will throw his weight and he will become a candidate. If it's thrown open, also, that is a given. On that note, I will take one of the questions here, which